Hey y'all, hi, Amanda here, and today we are going to be unboxing the February Petit Vour box. But before we get into that, I am using two products from the Medusa's makeup box from this month. So let's go ahead and take a look at those. The Medusa's Makeup Baked Eyeshadow in Girl Bye is on my eyes and on my cheeks. I literally just tapped the brush and put on my cheeks, and I feel like it's a lot. It's intense. It's really pretty, but it is intense. I don't think I'll be attempting to put this on my cheeks anymore. I don't mind it on the eyes. I think it's kind of cute. On the lips, I'm wearing the Liquid Lipstick Matte in the color Whoopee. And I think this is also really, really pretty. Actually, it kind of pulls the same red that's in the flowers on my dress today. I think it looks really nice. So I'm happy with both of those products, and just maybe don't use this as a blush unless you have a darker skin tone. It's very intense, and on a light skin tone like mine, it looks crazy. I literally just barely tapped it on there, and it is this intense. I probably should try and buff it out a little. Yeah, I don't think that did anything. But let's go ahead and get into the Petit Vour box and see what came in this month. Here's our card this month. Not gonna lie, it's a little boring. And it looks like we're getting 4 products. The first product is from that brand that I have been not so fond of recently. It's from 100% Pure, and this is the Fruit Pigmented Eyeshadow in the color Cinnabon. Cinnabon. Okay. The card says this is 0.07 ounces, and it's a $20 value, colored with vitamin-rich fruit pigments and responsibly sourced mica to offer a versatile range of matte, metallic, and shimmer shades. This formula delivers medium to full buildable opacity, perfect for creating anything from sultry smoky eyes to subtle nude eye makeup looks. Okay, so let's get her open and take a look at the color. It's really pretty. So here is the color swatched, and it's just a really beautiful medium brown color. Very shiny. I do think this would be a really pretty one color look. The next item we have is from Andalou Naturals. This is the Apricot Probiotic Cleansing Milk. So here's what that looks like. I am fairly certain I've had this one before, and I did not like the consistency. It's got a very lotiony feel, so I'm probably just going to be giving this one away because I just don't care for the texture. The card says that this is 1.7 ounces for $4. Fruit Stem Cell Complex from the apple and grape, resveratrol, CoQ10, and skin-friendly vegan probiotics gently remove makeup and impurities, rinsing away dull surface cells and bouncing skin flora. So yeah, I'm just gonna probably give this to a friend. I don't care for the texture. The next item I've pulled out of the box is from Evio Skin, and I've gotten a lot of Evio products before. They're hit or miss, but they're always fun to try. So this is the Rejuvenating Mask and Moisturizer. So I guess it functions as both. Use a thick layer and rinse after 15 minutes 2 times a week, or use a thin layer as a daily leave-on moisturizer. I would probably just use it as a mask. I don't like the things that are slated to do multiple things. I would just use this as a mask. The description says this is 1.4 ounces for $20, a radiance boosting mask that can be used as a wash-off treatment or overnight moisturizer to restore skin's brightness and give it healthy glow. A gel cream texture with a plant-based cooling effect. So yeah, that sounds fun. I will happily use this as a mask. And the last product in here is from Grown Alchemist, and this is the Age Repair Intensive Moisturizer. So here's the box it comes in. It kind of reminds me of those boxes of water that some places sell in style, just plain black and white. I don't think this is gonna focus, but yeah, let me read you the description. This is 12 milliliters for $17. The description says, delivers intense hydration as an age-protecting and age-repairing cream packed with skin-resurfacing peptides and plant-based collagen complex to both prevent and eliminate wrinkles and expression lines. So here is the product outside the box. It is very, very tiny amount of product for $17. It's kind of wild. And the ingredients, they have linalool, so that's fragrant, limonene, lavender oil. So this is probably not something I'm going to put on my face. So overall, another meh box from Petit Vour, to be completely honest. This is chock full of fragrant ingredients for being so expensive. Not going to use it. I just don't personally like the texture of this. There's nothing inherently wrong with it, so not going to use it. I don't like when they send twofers. Just be a mask or be a moisturizer. If it was a moisturizer, I probably wouldn't be that wild about it, to be perfectly honest, because of the ingredients. This isn't something I'd want to leave on my face long term, but I don't mind using it as a mask. So in this case, I recommend Avio Skin. Just be a mask. But I hate when things are 2-in-1s. And surprisingly, the 100% pure item is the only one I'm actually excited to use because the color looks lovely. So, 2 items I will use, only one I'm excited about. Another blah box to me, personally. I'm going to go ahead and say this is like a D. I'm just not wild about it. And I feel great today. It is sunny. It's beautiful. It's warm. And this is just bringing me down. I'm not going to lie. So that is my opinion of this month's Petit Vour box. I'd love to know what you guys think. You can drop me your opinion down in the comments below. If you'd like to stick around for a while, you can hit the subscribe button. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs down if you didn't. I don't care. And I will talk to you all later. Bye!